You brought a jackhammer to the picnic. I asked for coleslaw, but that's okay. We drove separately, and that's a good thing. If you start hammering, I may not stay. You brought a boyfriend on our first date. We split the bill, it went 3 ways. But both of your entrees were a bit more pricey. And if you both start necking, I may not stay. I don't think that this is working out. No, I don't think that this is gonna last. It's more than I'm not a glass is half full guy. It's 'cause I'm looking at an empty glass. You brought an air horn to the opera. We drove separately, so that's okay. It jarred the soprano during her solo. Folks stared at our box seat. I may not stay. You brought a nail gun to the Seder, your very first Seder, so that's okay. But if it goes off as we read the Haggadah, please take an Uber, 'cause I won't stay. I don't think things are working out. No, I don't think that this is gonna last. It's more than I'm not a glass is half full guy. It's 'cause I'm looking at an empty glass. What do you say, Rusty? Think that this is working out. No, I don't think that this is gonna last. It's more than I'm not a glass is half full guy. It's 'cause I'm looking at an empty glass. I brought a jackhammer to your funeral. It was more of a tribute, so that's okay. I could help the grave diggers break the hard ground, but if the eulogy's long, I may not stay. If the eulogy's long, I may not stay.